Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this wig from Domiso Hair. This is a 22-inch water wave wig from Amazon, and I'm going to be showing you how I installed it and my overall thoughts about this wig. So here's the box that it came in. This is Domiso Hair. When I took the wig out of the box, I was pretty impressed. So the lace was really nice. It wasn't too thick or anything. It did need some plucking, but overall the wig was very soft, didn't have any smell, and I was pretty impressed with the quality of it. So I'm gonna be taking some bleach to bleach the knots. I just get the single packets from the beauty supply store, and then I'm gonna take some developer. This is the only developer that I currently had on hand. So basically you want to make a very thick paste so it doesn't seep through the lace and bleach the knots, and bleach the roots too much. You want to bleach the knots but not the roots so much. So I make this thick paste and apply it on the wig and let it sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing it out. I use Shimmer Light shampoo to rinse out the bleach, and I let it sit on there for about 5 minutes before completely washing all the shampoo out. The first step is to push my edges back. I just use some Gorilla Snot to push them back and keep them in place. Then I just take my blow dryer to make sure that they're completely dry and are not going anywhere. Next step is to put on my tan cap and cut out holes for my ears. I use Got2b spray to spray down my cap because it still allows it to be able to move and be adjustable once you're ready to cut off the excess cap. I also use some thread on a needle and sew part of the cap on, so once I start cutting it, it's not going to come up. After the wig cap is completely dry, I'm going to start cutting it as close as possible to my hairline. Next, I take some foundation color that's the most similar to my skin and put it all over the cap so that way it'll blend in. And at the same time, you want to apply some to the wig as well so that will blend in too. I'm going to be using some of the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive to apply this wig, and I'm just going to put one even coat around like right before and a little bit on the cap, and I'm going to spread it out evenly, let that dry, and then reapply a second layer, let that dry before applying the wig. I like to take the comb to kind of rub the wig into the glue. Then I just take this thick elastic band, you can get this at the beauty supply store, and just use it to hold the wig down into the glue until it dries. After the wig has dried, I like to cut off the excess lace with the razor because it doesn't give like that straight blunt cut on the lace. It kind of gives like a jagged cut, which I really like. And then any pieces that didn't lay down the initial time with the glue, I just spray a little Got2b spray and put back on the elastic band. This is the part that literally gave me so much trouble. I don't even know why I tried to rush and do this. So basically, I normally pluck the wig off of my head first before I install it. And then I call that like a soft pluck, where I'm just, plucking some of the bulk out, and then I tailor it to my hairline once it's on my head. This time I was trying to rush and I put the wig on without plucking it at all, so it needed a lot of plucking to get it looking more natural. So to do the baby hairs, I just take this small flat iron and kind of curl them upwards, and then I take some Got2b spray and spray it on the actual brush and start to brush them out in the direction that I want. Now I'm going to do 3 different styles for you guys. So the first style is I'm going to part out a front section of the wig for a braid. Then I'm going to braid it all the way across the front of my head and put some water and some mousse on the rest of the hair so it's nice and wavy, because this is a water wave wig, and wear it like this. This is super cute and natural, like you're going to the beach, and I love the vibe that this hairstyle gives off. In this next hairstyle, I'm going to be doing a half up, half down look with some hair accessories. I chose to use my tiny curling wand to add some curls, but you could just wet the top of the ponytail and leave it in its natural state. But I wanted to switch it up a little bit and add some wand curls in it as well. So this is a very cute half up, half down look, and you can match your hair accessories with your outfit, and I really like how this look is as well. In this last look, I'm actually just going to take the ponytail out and flip my hair over to the side with these wand curls that I've put in the top part of the wig. I really like how effortless this looks. For some reason, this hairstyle reminds me of Selena. I love it so much. It's just effortless and cute, and I really like the effect the wand curls give off. So overall, this wig is very versatile. I really love it, and I know you guys will love it too. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below letting me know of other videos you would like to see from me. And lastly, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!